Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking, and I'd love to say this time of year. We're no longer in Wyoming, we're down here in beautiful Arizona, and I'll be saying this for 5 months, loving it. And of course, we're down here where the wonderful vegetables are really going on and the beautiful peppers, so we are doing Southwest peppers today. And I'll be going over all the ingredients and getting things going here. Right now what we have is our Dutch oven, 12-inch Dutch oven. Right now it's preheating with briquettes. We're going to try to get it hot. I put a little oil in there, and I'm going to be sauteing my chicken. What I've got going on here is 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cut in about 1-inch cubes, and I've got some diced, about a medium-sized diced onion and some fresh garlic that I've got minced. All right, we'll be showing you this in just a few minutes. Okay, we've gone ahead and put some oil in here, and it's nice and hot. And I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken thighs here. We'll brown this. And I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and garlic and let this all cook together here. Boy, is this going to be good. We're going to go ahead and put the lid back on. It just kind of helps to hold that, get that temperature back up, and we'll keep stirring this and letting it cook. Okay, we'll be back with you in just a few minutes here. Okay, our chicken got all done, and I went ahead and put it in with this other mixture that I have going on. And I'm going to tell you in a little bit what all of this is. We hope you're enjoying this with us today. Just remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and if you hit that little icon bell, it'll alert you that every Tuesday we have another wonderful fun video coming out. And please leave a comment and share with your family and friends. And what I have here today is, of course, I browned my chicken with my onions and my garlic. And then I have a cup of fresh cilantro, about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of wild rice that I went ahead and cooked ahead of time. Put that in here. Black beans rinsed and drained, and a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. And then my spices is a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, and a teaspoon of chili powder. I'm going to go ahead and add that to that. And this wonderful cheese. What this is it's a Mexican cheese that you can crumble. And I'm going to go ahead and put all of it in here. And it's called Queso Fresco. And you can buy that in any grocery store. It's kind of in the Hispanic part of the cheese that they like to have. And I'm going to mix this all together real well. And I have 4 peppers that I prepared over here. I just cut the tops off. Took the seeds out. Of course, I'm going to have way too much filling here, but my husband will love it. He'll eat it with something later in the week. It's always great to have leftovers. And the other thing is we like to line our Dutch oven with parchment paper. It just helps keep everything nice and clean, easy cleanup. Can't beat that deal. As you can see, I got that mixed together real well. And then I've got my peppers. I've got 4 of them here, 1 of each color, which this is really fun. And then I'm going to put as much of this stuffing in here as I can. And of course, we're going for 350. Bake this probably for about an hour. We'll keep an eye on it and keep adding briquettes. Oh boy, is this going to be yummy. Okay, then we'll just place these in on this Dutch oven. Stand it up there. Also, we also have a cooking channel. And I'm going to let my husband tell you about that. It's a Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. And what that channel has, he's going to turn his mic on over there and help me here while I'm doing this.
Yes, it's Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking.com. It's a website. On that website, we have a guide for taking care of your cast iron, a pre-recipe book, and we also have some of the items we like to use and spices that we like to use are on that website. So if you get a minute, you might go over and take a look at it.
Yes, it's a wonderful user's guide there. So, if you don't know quite how to take care of your cast iron, that is really wonderful. Lots of good tips. Well, I'm almost done stuffing these peppers. And we'll put them back over here in our briquettes, put the lid on, bake it, and enjoy. Yes, we will enjoy, and we better invite neighbors and friends to come help us. Okay, there we go. Oh my, our wonderful meal got done. Doesn't this look absolutely delicious? Of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Thank you for joining us today. All we're going to do is just go on in and eat this. Don't even need a salad or anything to go with this because it's all in one dish meal. Very easy. And here's to all our viewers, family, and friends. Thank you for joining us today. Until we meet again.